Alright everybody, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. As you guys can see, I got a bucket in front of me. I got some live bait today, and I'm over here by some of the bridges. So some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not. Right now, sheepshead has been very popular, so my goal today is to catch some sheepshead. Goal today is to catch some sheepshead, so it's gonna be an interesting day. Show you guys the bait that I got. Got some fiddler crabs. Fiddler crabs ready to go. And I'm just gonna be dropping them off by these pylons. The rig I have on right now is gonna be just this small little knocker rig. Small little hook with a 3/4 ounce weight. And I'm just gonna be dropping that down, trying to see if there's any sheepshead around, any of them hanging. So we're gonna see what's going on. I'm gonna honestly just start at this pylon, and we're gonna see if we can get one to chomp, if we can find some. I've got a lot of structure to fish, so we can bounce around and everything like that. I do not sheepshead fish. I was gonna say often, but I would like to rather say it all. So but I'm just gonna hook this guy. We'll go to the back. Hook this guy straight on like this, and we're gonna drop him down there and see. I gotta get better with my hook setting, figure out where I need to hook him, where I don't need to hook him. So I'm gonna get ready to drop this guy down. Just gonna get a little close to this pile, and we're gonna make it happen. I know these guys they don't hit like super heavy, like they don't thump baits, so I will be just monitoring that while I'm fishing. Right, here we go, first bait going down. Okay, had some difficulties with my reel. My line had got wrapped around the gear, so I had to get that all fixed up, but now we should be good to go. Got some fresh bait on there, ready to go. I doubled up this time, cut two because I had two smaller ones, so two smaller baits. So we're about to drift over here, see if we can find us one. We just gotta find us one. I think I got one. Oh. So one got taken. It's quick too. I think my second bait got taken too. Let's see. Yep. Okay. So I did feel when I got the hit. I just wasn't prepared. So get some new bait on there. We'll get back to it. Okay. Got him. Just got my first one. First sheep, baby. Let's go. Coming up. Let's go, baby. Small sheepshead in the boat. First one of the day. Alright. So this one's definitely not big enough to keep. They gotta be 12. But still, this is the targeted species that we're going after. Look at those gnarly chompers. Sir, baby. First sheep's head going back in the water. There we go. Got one. Hey, y'all see how fast we got taken off of that pollen? My goodness. Another small sheep. Just holding on for dear life just to catch this one fish. Still cool though. Going back. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice sheep. That's a nice one. There you go. I'm gonna need the net. Oh, he's pulling some drag, baby. That's the one we want. That's the one we want. That's the one we want right there, boys. That's the one we was looking for. Let's go. Nice sheep's head. Nice sheep's head. There we go, boys. That's a nice sheep. Alright, baby. Nice sheep's head. We're gonna keep this guy. We're gonna put him in the cooler. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get ready to fish. Well, when we're fishing again. Alright, everybody, that is going to wrap up the video. I want to thank you guys for watching. I didn't catch as many sheepshead that I wanted to, but it's still all good. I still had a fun time out there. I don't sheepshead fish a lot, so if you guys have any tips or tricks for me to be able to get on more sheepshead, please comment that down below. But overall, I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.